Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the card in hand. Scratch the coding to reveal the code, then open the Google Play app and tap your profile icon. You do this so the code ties to the correct Google account and region. Once done, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Redeem Gift Code. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to fund. If you're on mobile data, confirm Signal. A failed connection prevents verification and wastes time. Now type the 16-character code into the Redeem field. You can paste if copied to clipboard. You do this precisely because a single wrong character rejects the code. Next, verify the Google account email displayed before you tap Confirm, since funds attach to that account immediately. After confirmation, the balance updates instantly and applies to purchases like apps, movies, and subscriptions unless restricted by. To spend the balance, pick a purchase, and at checkout select Play Balance as your payment method so funds apply automatically. You do this to avoid accidental charges to cards. If a subscription or in-app item won't accept the balance, check eligibility because some subscriptions require an accepted billing country. If you encounter an error, confirm the code is entered correctly, ensure the account region matches the card, and then contact Google support with the card details if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.